Come on. Come on, Chocolate Raid. Come on. Can you walk down the hallway? Oh, walk down the hallway. I want to see you. Can you walk down the hallway?
But there's big. I said your boots on.
They're even bigger, dude. He's got your boots on, but he can actually walk now. You're going to try Dad's boots on? I don't think you'll be able to walk in those, Jack. Try Mum's on again. Try Mum's boots on again. See if you can go walking. Yeah. Put them on right there. Hold on to the wall. There's one on the wrong foot. Oh, can you do it? You did it.
I'm gonna go walk. I'm gonna go after the walls.